Nature. Touch some nature. Enjoy it. Exercise within the nature. Demonstrate your prowess. Make nature appear. Display the nature and make it disappear. Pick a fight. Show nature who's exploiting who. Find some new nature. Frolic. Feel the natural wind upon your natural face. Encompass yourself in nature. Embrace it. Showcase your physical aptitude. Overcome nature's greatest champion. Stick. Lose yourself within the nature. Be unable to find a way out. Appreciate the time away from technology, for it may be your last. Chop some wood. Feel the calming energy flow through you. Understand that, one way or another, one of you will be alive and the other will be burning. Logs, nature's grass. Build a fire. Light it. Sit down. Watch it burn. Keep looking. Look closer. Look through the fire. Listen to the fire. What does it tell you?